Good morning, students. Second volume, Unit 11, Hydroxy compound and ethers. So, hereafter organic chemistry will be started. So, carefully listen and write the classwork note also and practice also. Otherwise, difficult to memory. First, you got to understand that hydroxy compounds means that functional group OH only present. OH group present means that hydroxy compound. Many organic compounds containing main role our body on our body. Example cholesterol. Example cholesterol. That last two letter OL is called alcohol. AL is called aldehyde. Here OL is called alcohol. So compound in our cell membrane. Cell membrane also alcohol containing. Next retinol. Retinol storage form vitamin A. Vitamin A and find many application also produced functional our eyes. Already told our body. So one of the parts eyes also. Alcohol also in main area like medicines, industry, etc. Industry, etc. And example, first one, methanol. Methanol where will be used means industrial solvent, 1 mark side. Second, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Additive to petrol. Third, isopropyl alcohol or propanol. Used in skin cleaner. Or injection, etc. The hydroxy group alcohol converted to many other functional group. In this lesson, learn preparations, properties, and uses of alcohols. Introduction over. Next, classification. Next, classification of alcohols. Mainly classified into two types. First one, monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. That mono means only one. So only one OH group is containing. Example, ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. Second type, polyhydric alcohols. So more than one OH group is contained. More than one OH group is containing polyhydric alcohol. Example, first one, glycol. First one, glycol. CH2OH bond CH2OH. That is more than one. Second example, glycerol. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Come to monohydric alcohol also divided by again two types. That based on OH group attached sp3 hybridations. Here sp2 hybridations. Based on OH group attached sp3 hybridization, here sp2. sp2 example vinyl alcohol. sp2 example vinyl alcohol. Formula CH2 double bond CH that means ethanol. The double bond means En, that OH means OL, 2 carbon means eth. Next, sp3 hybridization is again divided by 3 types. First one, OH group attached alkyl group. OH attached alkyl group. That alkyl group means example CH3, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2 is called alkyl group. Second example CH3, CH, CH3, OH. That is CH3, CH, CH3, alkyl group. Third example this is for alkyl group. Understand? OH attached alkyl group. First example ethanol. Second example isopropyl alcohol. Third example tertiary butyl alcohol. So within primary alcohol, secondary alcohol. This is for tertiary alcohol. Second example OH group attached allyl group. Example CH2 double bond CH, CH2 OH. 3 carbon is called prop. That second carbon started double bond 1, 2, 3. Second carbon started double bond, so 2E. First carbon attached OH group, so 1 all. Second example CH2 double bond CH, CHOH above CH3. Number given 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means bute. Third carbon started double bond 3E. First carbon attached second carbon attached OL. So 2 all. Next OH group attached benzyl group. Benzyl group. Example C6H5 CH2OH. Phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. Second example C6H5 CHOH CH3. 1 phenyl ethanol. Next, IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature already briefly learned 11th standard. So you have to read page number 106 and 107. Table will be given. Next, go to structure. Any doubt means ask me with the book. Structure. Structure means carbon, oxygen, hydrogens. So carbon having 4 bond, so 3 bond is attached. So oxygen having 2 lone pair. 2 lone pair will be present. So the oxygen hydrogen sigma bond, carbon hydrogen also sigma bond. That angle between 108.9 degree. That hybridations sp3 hybridations. That shape means V shape. Shape means next preparations. Common preparations. Common preparation alkyl halide. That R is called alkyl, X is called halide. React with sodium hydroxide NaOH. What happen? NaX will be removed, remaining ROH plus NaX. That is which reaction followed means SN1 mechanism will be followed. That means a nucleophilic substitution reaction. First preparation, addition of water in the alkene in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give alcohol. See the reactions. Alkene formula CH3 CH double bond CH2. Water formula H2O. Presence of sulfuric acid H2SO4. That addition means the double bond will be breaking, both sides added. The left side added hydrogen, right side added OH group. That means CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Otherwise, that again one more is also present. What means here OH added, here H is added. Both are also possible. The first is the primary alcohol, second is the secondary alcohol. So second structure will be written CH3, CH, CH3, OH. That is the first preparations. The addition followed Marconi of addition. Product name is called 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means propane. The second carbon attached to OH, so second carbon, which function group means alcohol, so OL. Which function group means alcohol, OL. Second preparation from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means nucleophilic additions only. Nucleophilic addition. In Grignard reagent, aldehyde or ketone react with Grignard reagents. Aldehyde or ketone react with Grignard reagents in the presence of ether after acid hydrolysis. To give alcohols. Theory also important for 1 mark side. First reaction. That Grignard reagent means general formula RMgX. That R is the alkyl group or aryl group. X is the halogens. First reaction R replaced by C6H5 MgBr. First taking aldehyde. This what aldehyde? Aldehyde functional group CHO. Aldehyde attached hydrogen means the name is called formaldehyde. Nucleophilic additions. The aryl group attached to carbon, that MgBr attached to oxygens. See the reactions. C6H5 CH2O MgBr and acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means water H plus or otherwise write H3O plus also. Otherwise write H3O plus also. What happened? That oxygen magnesium bond will be broken. Left side added hydrogen, right side added OH. Product C6H5 CH2OH plus MgBrOH. That name is given phenyl methanol. methanol. Go to second reaction. Now take an alkyl group CH3 CH2 MgBr. That is the aldehyde functional group. That added CH3 means name is called acetaldehyde. Name is called acetaldehyde. Here also same. That attack of alkyl group, that MgBr added OH, CH3, CH2, CH2, O, MgBr. Ether is in the presence of ether. First reaction also in the presence of ether. After acid hydrolysis, H2O bar H plus. What happened here? Breaking. That here added a hydrogen, here added a OH. Product CH3, CH2, CH2, OH plus MgBrOH. That name is called how many carbons? Product is wrong. So you have to CH3, CH2, C, CH3, H, O, MgBr. That missing of CH3. You have to write correctly. H2O bar H plus. That product is in breaking means here CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. The second carbon attached OH group plus MgBrOH. Total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means butane. That last letter don't read. Second carbon attached functional group. So 2 odd. Butane 2 odd. Next third reaction. Third reaction CH3, CH2, 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 MgBr. That name is called 4 carbon. So state chain. State chain used N. Butyl. Mg is called magnesium. Magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide. React with acetone. Acetone formula C double bond O CH3 CH3. That is one of the ketone. Ketone formula C double bond O. Attached to CH3 means acetone. That in the presence of ether. In the presence of ether. What happened? CH3, CH2 how many times? 3 times. So CH2, 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 C, CH3, CH3, O, MgBr. That after acid hydrolysis, H2O bar H plus. What happened? That is breaking oxygen magnesium bond. So product CH3, CH2, 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 C, CH3, CH3, OH. Given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus MgBrOH group. So write the name. Second carbon having methyl group. Second carbon having methyl group. First right branched 2 methyl. Remaining 6 carbon. So write hexane. Hexan. Second carbon attached to OH group. So write 2 R. Understand the name? Go to fourth one. Here ester will be used. Ester will be used. Ester ethyl methanate. Ethyl methanate. CH3 CH2 O C double bond O H. React with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Ether ASEAN solvent and H3O plus or H2O H plus. What happened the reactions? They are taken methyl magnesium bromide 2 times. So product CH3 CH2 CH CH3 OH. That already you know the name. Plus Mg Br O CH2 CH3. What name? Propane to all. Propane to all. Next, hydroborations. This question for important examination time. So very carefully listen. That another is called hydration of alkene. Hydration of alkene. That yield is the anti-Markovnikov product. Anti-Markovnikov products. See the reaction. Diborane react with alkene. Diborane react with alkene. Diborane formula B2H6. Alkene example taken propane CH3 CH double bond CH2. That here having boron. Boron is the one is the 3 bond. So 2 boron means 6 bond. So front of your write 6 times. So what happened means CH3 CH2 CH2 boron. So what happened means that 6 hydrogens are also added here. That now balanced. Boron is 2 times. So front of you write 2. Here 6 times means here 3 times. That means tripropyl borane. Tripropyl borane. Only addition reaction. Dipropyl borane react with hydrogen peroxide. CH3, CH2, CH2, 3 times boron plus hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide formula H2O2. Here how many times means only one boron. So hydrogen peroxide taken 3 times. And base will be taken. What happened? That breaking of double bond. Breaking of bond. Breaking of bond means CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. OH. How many times? 3 times. Plus hydrogen peroxide means HOHO. That one peroxide means 2 OH group. 3 OH group go to alcohol side. Remaining 3 boron side. BOH trice. Name is called 3 carbon means propane. So first carbon attached alcohol. So OL, propane, phenol. Very important questions. So you got to practice. Next, reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compounds. Next, reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compound means here also reduction aldehyde or ketone. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of solvent THF. That what is meant by THF means tetrahydropurans. Tetrahydropuran. Tetrahydropuran. First letter added means THF. Followed by hydrolysis. Is given to alcohols. See the first reactions. Aldehyde or ketone will be taken. Here ketone taken. C double bond O. CH3. What happened? Lithium aluminum hydride. Hydrolysis. What happened means the double bond will be broken. Both sided HH will be added. That means CH3 OH. Already you know the name. What name? 3-carbon propane. Second carbon attached to alcohol, so OL. Second reaction, acid. Acid formula C double bond OH. C6H5. That acid functional group COOH. Acid also having ketone functional group. So name is called benzoic acid. Benzoic acid has to lithium aluminum hydride react with hydrolysis. So what happened? The double bond will be broken. Double bond broken means here added a H. H means how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogens. So this side added 2 hydrogens. So water molecule also released. C6H5 CH2OH plus H2O. That name is called phenyl methanol. In third reaction, ester will be taken. Ester formula CH3 COO CH2 CH3 LiAlH4 acid hydrolysis. What happened means that breaking means CH3 CH2 OH. The totally in 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So breaking here added hydrogens. Here also one breaking H2. Here added H. So CH3 CH2 OH. CH3 CH2 OH. So 2 times will be obtained the product. Name is called ethanol.